Green team in the house. Nice, nice. All right.
This guy's going to put on a show tonight. It's going to be a ton of fun, so I hope you all enjoy.